What's going on, guys? My name is Vinny Rizzo. I'm actually a co-founder of Syndicate Productions and the head of education at Syndicate Productions. If you're getting this video right now, it most likely means that you've sent us an inquiry about the film school. We're going to be answering some questions that you may have had about the business, so stay tuned. Syndicate Film School is actually an education branch of Syndicate Productions, which is a fully functioning production company. Me and my business partner are both full-time filmmakers, but after hours, this production company becomes a film school. That's why we call it Syndicate Film School. You're actually learning from full-time filmmakers themselves. Regardless of whether it's me or someone that works here at the business, or we outsource to other production companies to bring their full-time filmmakers over here to kind of teach things that we don't necessarily have access to. If we don't have it here, well, we're going to get it from somebody else to make sure that everything that you need is here. Now, what are the locations of Syndicate Productions and Syndicate Film School? Right now, while this video has been recorded, we only have one location right now. It's based in Monroe Township, New Jersey, 08831, right off of exit 8A. And the reason why I mentioned the zip code is there's actually two Monroes in New Jersey, and we want to just make sure that that's clear, so you're not going to the wrong place. Now, the types of classes that we do everything. We do directing, cinematography, producing, assistant directing. We also do sound, editing, even focus on niche fields. Now, we also have guest speakers that attend every now and then. Usually it's about once a month, maybe twice a month if we're lucky. We've had people come in from Discovery Channel, we've had people come in from the union, the producers union to be specific. We've even had film festival directors here. So either way, all these people that you're connected with, you can actually talk with and see if they can help you outside of the school. I like how this whole system operates. I think it's better than any other traditional film university. And I think this is actually better. It's affordable and you get to meet people that are operating under industry standard materials with industry standard technique. Now, is it a certificated program? At this time, currently right now, no, but we are looking into it. We're currently talking with people at the state of New Jersey to see if we can somehow get a certificated program, but even then, filmmakers don't really need a certificate to become a functioning member within the industry. But like I said, we are still looking into it and trying to do what we can to make sure that everybody gets what they want out of this program and to do what we gotta do from there. Now, what you do walk away with at the end of this class is you will be shooting scenes every single week in order to create a director's reel, a cinematography reel, an editor's reel. Either way, we're still shooting something in class and you're still getting the hands-on experience that you need, but also walking away with the footage that comes from class. And let me tell you this, it's just absolutely professional what everybody shoots here. It's incredible. You're learning industry standard technology and you're walking home with something that you've shot with during the day, and then you could just basically use it as a credential or you could use it as a portfolio to then market to other jobs. Also, because we're a fully functioning production company, it's not uncommon for us to bring people on set once you reach a particular skill level. So we've actually brought people on set before with Make-A-Wish, Netflix, and Intuit right now. So it's not uncommon for us to bring people on set with us for those productions. Not only do they get a reel and a portfolio of all the things that they've shot, but they also get established credits from these corporations that they've actually participated with on shoots. Not only are you meeting and training within the classroom, but you're also actually being trained to work on set as well. Now, what memberships do we have here? So we can either do it as a 3-month membership, a 6-month membership, and a 1-year membership. Instead of a tuition, we actually charge subscriptions. So you can either pay it upfront and flat, or if that doesn't work for you, we can actually charge it on a month-to-month basis, whatever works easier for you. If it's upfront and flat, we obviously discount it a little more. Either way, on a month-to-month basis, it still helps work people because it helps create a financially stable filmmaker. Please practice this stuff outside of the school. We can only do so much as a film school as bring a horse to water, but we can't force them to drink. Really, your success actually also depends on what you're doing outside of the school, okay? So make sure that you're doing what you have to do outside of the school in order to market yourself as a filmmaker, get on jobs. We can teach you where to find all this stuff, but it's up to you for you to take that chance, okay? Now, any questions that you may have that we didn't answer, please reach out to us and we can help you out from there. Now, we've reached the end of this video. I hope you know that you also do get a free class and get to experience at least what it's like to be within a class or as a member at Syndicate for a day. So, if you'd like, you can reach out to me at vinny@syndicateproductions.org for memberships or scheduling details, or if you just like to skip that step and just go down to the link below and book a free class, just let us know what time you'd like to come in. Now, if there ends up ever being a time where you need to postpone or cancel, or let's just say that there's an emergency, please let us know in advance that you won't be coming in anymore, just because we do have people that are going to be here that are waiting for you. So please be courteous for those people and the instructors that are here. Just do that for us. Please be a good person and let us know that you're not going to be coming in. We're really looking for people that advocate for themselves, because those are the types of people that will be successful. but I hope that we can help in any way possible. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.